Hi Eric, this is Bobby with your free action plan video that I promised. I'm going to show you some tips on how to increase your online presence and grow your revenue. If at the end of this video you like what you see and want to take advantage of the plan on your own, feel free. Of course, this is what I do, so you can also give me a call if you have any questions and I'll see what I can do to help. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this tool that I use called Airfs. I typed in painters in Fort Worth and it's showing me that it has a search volume of 250 searches every month and that it has a cost per click value of $15. So that means each time that you run an ad through Google for painters in Fort Worth, each time somebody clicks on your ad, they're going to charge you $15. It's also showing me that it has a keyword difficulty rank of 2, which means that it's pretty easy to rank to be on the top on the front page without purchasing the ad. So I'm going to show you the Google search. I typed in again painters in Fort Worth. We see right here that there are no ads for that, so you don't see anything there. This section right here is called the map pack or the Google My Business page. You get listed right here in this section whenever you have a lot of citations. When you have the most citations into different directories, a citation is your name, address, and phone number, exactly the way it's listed right here on your Google My Business page. So when I click right here on when I click right here, it populates their Google My Business page, and I'm going to show it to you really quick. There's different ways to rank on here. You also need to have more Google reviews than your top competitor. So they have 112. So make sure you double or triple that, and double or triple the amount of keyword-rich pictures that you have right here. You should also have your services, and make sure your services are keywords, and then also have an About Me section. So when I use this tool that I have, it's telling me that Constable DFW Painting has 21 citations. So in order to beat them, you have to have at least 40 to 60 citations. When I look at your website right here, or at I searched for yours, and you do have 18 Google reviews, so you have some stuff to work on. You also don't have an About Me section, and there's no services listed. Didn't count how many pictures you have, but you have to also make sure that they're they're saved as keywords. So when I look right here, it's telling me that you have 10 citations right here. So we need to get that up so that we can beat them in this section right here. The next place under here is the organic section. The first listing that it has in the organic section is Yelp.com, which is a directory. So you can go ahead and send your citation over to them, and so that can help boost you up into that top section right there. The next listing is 5-Star Painting, which is your top competitor. In order for your website to get ranked right here, you have to have more knowledge or more information about whatever subject you are, or whatever subject that this is. And so you would need to have at least 2 or 3 times the amount of words on your website than your top competitors. So when I use this word counter, it's telling me that 5-Star Painting has about 883 words of content on their page. So you would have to have about 1,600 to 2,000 words on your page in order for them to beat them. I look right here and it's telling me that you have 539 words. So we need to get you some content, and we also have to make sure that it's keyword rich content. So we need to find the highest keywords that Google the highest keywords that Google has and add them to your page. Another way to get ranked right here into this section is the amount of backlinks that you have. What a backlink is, it's whenever another relevant website lists your website onto their page. Thus, it's pointing back to you and giving you trust and popularity in Google's eyes. So I'm using Airfs again, and I type in your competitor's website. It's telling me that they have 26 referring domains that's pointing at them 149 times, and it's also showing me that they have 45 organic keywords. And all of this together is bringing them organic traffic of 97 searches every month, which is the value of $1,000. And I see right here that they have ads that they're paying $144 each month for. So when I look over and add your website, it's not giving me a whole lot of information. Basically, it's because you're probably a brand new site. I actually didn't look up your age, but that's one thing. And so you have no referring domains, and you do have 4 keywords, but those keywords are not bringing you any value. So you have no organic traffic to your site, which means that it's not popping up in any search engines at all. It's not saying that you don't have anybody visiting your site. It's just saying that it's not happening organically. And I'm actually curious to see what keywords are listed right here. So, all right. Eric's Handyman, and you're in the 45th position. Handyman Garland, you're in the 69th, 77, and 72. So you're basically on pages about page 4, 6, 7. You're in the very far back pages, so you're probably not going to be found organically. So those are basically the 3 things that I wanted to go over for you. First is your citations. Make sure you have 2 or 3 times the amount of citations in your top competitor. Make sure you have 2 or 3 times the amount of keyword-rich content, and make sure you have 2 or 3 times the amount of relevant backlinks pointing back to your page. I hope you learned a lot in this video. I'm going to actually give you a call here in a couple of days so you can let me know what you think, and have a good rest of your day. Thank you for listening.